Over 5,500 square feet of rustic elegance, sitting on more than 9 acres in Woody Creek, just minutes from Aspen. This rare mountain estate has it all. Fenced horse pasture, 2-bedroom caretaker or guest house with loft and 2-car garage, lush landscaping and towering trees along with a private offshoot of Woody Creek. Now, add in the iconic circular pool and stone patio, and any lifestyle you can imagine is ready and waiting for you right here. The private driveway leads you to the spacious courtyard and 3-car garage. Step inside, vaulted ceilings, walls of windows and French doors connect the large living and entertaining spaces. The huge island in the kitchen creates the perfect gathering spot for any occasion. Open up the double doors in the family room and soak up the views of the pool and pasture beyond. Or take the party to the billiards room with adjacent media room. Upstairs, this timeless primary suite gives you elevated mountain views. Stroll around the private yard and lush lawn, or grab a seat along the water's edge and let the rush of the water melt away any stress and worry. If you want to grab a bite, the famous Woody Creek Tavern is just minutes away, and you can be in the Aspen Core or Snowmass Village in just 10 minutes. Now, add in the fact this property is being sold with an adjacent lot, and this is one of the best opportunities in the Roaring Fork Valley. Call today for a private showing and come experience the privacy and luxury this Woody Creek estate has to offer.